Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Beast YouTube channel. If you are new here, so please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified from our next great videos. In this video you will learn how to change your wireless or your Wi-Fi password from TP-Link admin area. First of all, we need to know the IP address or the internet protocol address of our TP-Link router. To identify this, click on Start menu and type Run command RUN and click on Run option. Or simply you can press Windows button plus R in your keyboard and write CMD command or option. To identify your IP address or to get your IP address, just write here ipconfig and press enter. So here you can receive or you can see your default gateway IP address, which is 192.168.0.1. This is the default IP address of our TP-Link router, through which we can have control of our TP-Link options such as its name, the user's IP addresses, and security options. So we need to click on Google Chrome and enter the IP address we have received in our ipconfig option and CMD command 192.168.0.1. 192, this is the IP address we need to enter for our TP-Link. Press enter. And this is the user login or sign in area of TP-Link Wi-Fi router. We can also use the domain of TP-Link company, so we need to write here tplinkwifi.net. It leads us to the same domain or to the same IP address for logging into our TP-Link admin area. So in this username, just I have put my username as admin and write your password and click on login option. The username and password generally comes with admin. You can see the username, the default username and password of TP-Link router on the back side of your router device. So here we have a bundle of options on the left side. First of all, we need to click on wireless option or wireless tab. Here we can find the wireless network name, which is our Wi-Fi name. I have put this name as Wi-Fi family. So on the left side under the wireless tab, click on wireless security option. So here you can see the wireless password. The current password of my TP-Link router or wireless is 464955050. So we can change the wireless password here. For example, I'm writing here just Canada 321. Our password should be at least 8 characters. If it's less than that, so the system or the options would not be accepted. After changing your wireless password, come to the bottom and click on save option. After this, your password will be changed to Canada 321. Canada C is the capital letter. We have to remember this or write down in a piece of paper. Click on save option. So now I will be logged out from my current Wi-Fi connection. So I need to enter my new password. For example, right here, YouTube. It won't work because my password has been changed. So I need to change my password here. Wi-Fi family, properties, and this is the network security key or the password area. Click on show characters. I am writing my new password here, Canada 321. Click on OK. So now I will be connected on my wireless network through entering the new password. Now write youtube.com and press enter. So now it will work. This is the way how we can change the password of our Wi-Fi or wireless network and TP-Link. Here we go. So we can refresh our TP-Link domain and again we can change your wireless and click on wireless security. So whatever you want, just enter your wireless password here. Thanks for watching this video and being with us. Please don't forget to subscribe and support Wiki Beast in YouTube. So, and thanks for your precious time, and please wait for our next video.